Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to create a quick review about this to promote desktop platform, which is Blaze AI. So we'll get started on how to use Blaze AI. Getting started with Blaze in 2025 is straightforward for beginners. So you get started by signing up for a free trial on the Blaze website. So once you start, you can create your brand voice by providing an existing content or uploading document. This allows Blaze to analyze and replicate your unique tone and styles. So after setting up your brand voice, you can start generating content by selecting from various templates such as blog post, social media update, and email newsletter. And also customize the content by specifying details like target audience, desired talent, and the keywords. Then from there, Blaze AI has a stance in craft content that aligns with your brand voice. This intuitive platform enables users to automate workflow and integrate with tools like Google Sheet, Slack, and Notion without any code. You can set up trigger and actions to streamline tasks such as content creation, data entry, and reporting. The platform also offers real-time analytics to monitor the performance of your automated processes. Whether you are a marketer, content creator, or a business owner, Blaze AI provides a comprehensive solution to enhance productivity and maintain a consistency across your content and operation. And that's it. So let me know in the comment section what you think about this AI platform and how it can help you automate your content creating life. And that's it.